Hi, this is Steve from Roofer911.com. We specialize in roof repair in all areas of Northern Virginia. Now, when you look at these pictures, these are infrared photos I took of a home today. And this is a perfect example why certain homes have ice dam problems and others don't. Now, when you look at the first picture, you can see here the temperature of the roof is 48 degrees. Now, as everybody knows, the heat always travels to the highest point, and you can see all this white here. So some areas, the temperature is 57.4 degrees, almost 58 degrees, and that's very, very warm, especially when the outside temperature is only 28 degrees. So the reason why they have all this heat is because down here near the gutter line, the soffit intake vents were closed off with insulation. Now at the top, there is no ventilation. There should be a ridge vent, but there is none. And also the insulation inside the attic is not that good as well. So what's happening is the heat from inside the home is going up through the walls, through the ceiling, and into the attic. So what they need to do is replace any damaged or low areas of insulation inside the attic. Now also at the gutters, we need to install soffit intake vents at the front and also the back. Now the top of the roof, we're going to install a ridge vent and cut open a breathing space about 1.5 inches on both sides of the ridge and then install a ridge vent. So this way the attic space, the air is constantly circulating and the outside temperature will be, the inside temperature will be equivalent to the outside. Now, I went around the back of the house, and this is where it gets very interesting. Here, this is the main house, here in the back. Now, the temperature at the intake vents is at 54 degrees. Now, they just had a new extension built on to the back, and up here at the soffit intake vents, it's all wide open, and they covered that open breathing space with vented soffit panels, which is perfect. And on the top of the ridge, they have what they call a shingle vent too, and there's about a 3-inch open space. So now, as I said, the temperature here is at 53.8. Now check this out, 33.8. So the inside of the attic of this extension is equivalent to the outside temperature. So to make a long story short, the roof on the main house is just asking for ice dam problems where this home, this section of the home will not have an ice dam. So my name is Steve. We specialize in ice dam and roof repair in all areas of Northern Virginia, and we can be reached at 703-475-2446. Thank you and have a wonderful day.